Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Wi-Fi extender with JioFiber. First, unbox your new Wi-Fi extender and find its power adapter. Next, plug the extender into an electrical outlet, ideally within the same room as your JioFiber router for initial setup. Give it a moment to power on completely. You'll see the power indicator light become stable, signaling it's ready for the next step. This initial proximity helps ensure a smooth connection process. Now, connect your phone or computer to the extender's temporary Wi-Fi network, usually named something like Extender Setup. Open a web browser and navigate to the extender setup page, often an IP address like 192.168.0.254. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your JioFiber network and input its password. Finally, unplug the extender and move it to an optimal location, roughly halfway between your JioFiber router and the area needing improved coverage. Once connected, you can log into the extender's administration panel to fine-tune settings. You might choose to give your extended Wi-Fi network a unique name, making it easy to identify. After configuration, it's crucial to test the internet speed in the areas where you previously had weak signals. Use an online speed test to verify improvements. Also, check that your devices seamlessly switch to the stronger extended network as you move around your home. If you experience slow speeds or dropped connections, try repositioning the extender slightly, perhaps a bit closer to your JioFiber router. Regularly check for and install firmware updates for your extender. This can significantly improve performance and security. Avoid placing the extender near large metal objects, microwaves, or cordless phones, as these can interfere with the signal. If all else fails, a factory reset can often resolve persistent issues, allowing you to start the setup process anew.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.